We are back at Tomlin Road. As you can see, actually, let's see the front. So that was in a terrible state, and that it's now been repaired. There's been a new plasterboard on it, and everything's been replastered. It's a nice porch. In fact, the plastering of the whole property has been done. It's actually really, really nice, very smooth. If you remember before, the walls here were very old, and they had the old Aztec wallpaper, where if you take it off, they will take the whole wall off with it. As you can see, you probably can't see there. But anyway, as a result, everything had to be replastered in here. So new flooring down, new kitchen cabinets, really trendy hob and extractor. That'll be electric. This is the design we went for in the end, quite glossy finish. Changed the work counter to this colour, so it's a bit more modern than the last one. Then the other one, nice taps, quite nice, black. New walls. So this would be a nice kitchen. Hopefully we'll get to keep this door, because it's just a nice feature really, or the colour will stand out, because all these walls will be white. Ceiling has also been redone as well, which is nice. And then we'll have grey carpets throughout. This is the extension, and that's the extension as well. We'll do that near the end. Okay, upstairs. Banister, we'll just repaint near the end. But we want to keep these original features because they're nice. The sun, this property catches the sun really well. There you go. So, first bedroom. Okay, all the walls have been replastered. So now what I'll do is I'll ask Alex to come in and start coordinating the redecorating. These doors are more or less fine, but we might have to replace them because they will, once all this is repainted, new carpets and everything, while this door looks okay now, it will really stand out on a backdrop of brand new walls and brand new furnishing. Third bedroom, so all the radiators have to be rehung and they might stick out as well. So that's a decision we'll have to make near the end. Once we get an idea of what things will look like, we'd have to put either blinds or curtain poles up. New chrome finish all the way through, because this is a bit of a higher end. This is an example. So this is the bathroom door. This is the original one. I'm not sure how much of this we can clean up and repaint. That's something to consider. And this is the new bathroom. Looks very nice, doesn't it? Good tiling. Electric shower. There you go. Really good sized bathroom. New walls throughout. That fell through, and that was all mouldy and crumbled, so we had to replace that and that. So that's nice light. If you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We let to manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. If you like this sort of stuff, please don't forget to like and follow for more. See you.